Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Village Drey in Dallas, Texas. It's the Drey in the Village in Dallas, Texas. And I'm actually on the patio of the model, but I want to talk to you just a little bit about amenities. We mentioned it in one of the videos, but the cool thing about the Village is in each Village community, you've got its own amenities. Like, in other words, each community has its own amenities, and then you've got the master amenities that are on the big street that's shared by everybody. Well, the amenities that you would see here at the Drey are pretty cool. So you've got this really nice pool. That's a really nice shared pool that's here. It's not a really big pool, but it's a nice pool. And then you've got a really nice sections over here, just kind of a grilling station area. And look how just beautifully decorated it is, the grilling station, just all the other areas here. You've got the pretty lights. You've got a really nice lawn over here. It's just a gorgeous modern community. As you can see, this is the premium community of the Village, and it's very popular. And it's very, very nice. But then again, you also have the master amenities, and those are shared by everybody. And we've captured those in the previous videos. So I just wanted to show this off. It's in Midtown, by the way. So this is the Midtown area of Dallas. This is a kind of quieter area of Dallas. And it's close to Uptown. It's close to downtown, and a lot of people don't know about it at first, but when they see the Village and they see the amenities, they choose here instead of Uptown. So if you're thinking about Uptown, this is a good alternative, and it may even actually be better, and it tends to be that for a lot of people. So I just wanted to tell you about it, show a little bit of it off to you. Hey, if you have any questions or you're ready to take a tour of the Drey, send me a text, and it could be a virtual tour. You could literally see it today. Send me a text, and we'll set that up, see if we can get it set up even for today, where you can see live available units that would fit what you need. My number is below, and just text me right now. Say hi, Grant.